So yesterday was a day of a lot of volatility in the crypto market. Many people probably feel like they got whiplash because we saw ups, downs, lefts, rights, and unfortunately ADA and the crypto market overall went on some substantial drops yesterday. And right now what they're trying to do is wash you out of your position. They're trying to get lower entry points. And frankly, yesterday they did a very good job of doing this. And this is even with some fake news that the market bit on. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So first of all, yesterday, ADA started the day actually fairly well. We were on the rise. We were sitting in this 34-cent range, kind of doing some consolidation, some sideways trading, kind of waiting to see if we can get that pushed for the next leg to the upside. That was all looking very good. And BTC was doing a very similar thing. We were climbing up and to the right, looking pretty good. And then, unfortunately, the crypto market got hit with some negative news. And this was news that the US government was launching a probe into Tether. That is a very, very big deal. All right. And we saw BTC price go on the drop here. Okay. We're talking about $120 billion market cap. We're talking about the largest stablecoin issuer in all of crypto, a place where most of the liquidity that's sitting on the sidelines currently resides. Okay. That's a very big deal. Now, here's the thing. It was fake. Unfortunately, this was in fact fake news. They came out, they confirmed that there is no investigation into Tether. This is some nonsense. And the crypto market actually responded in that way, right? That it was nonsense. We saw ADA actually go on a 2.25% rise over the course of just an hour. We saw BTC starting to bounce back and things were looking pretty good. And guess what? That was an opportunity for larger entities than us to accumulate at cheaper prices. Go figure. They do this time and time again. But where things really got interesting was this drop that took place over the next couple hours. And this was actually caused by a little bit of a curveball from overseas. It's not something that we didn't expect. We probably just didn't expect it to be right now. And this was actually that Israel struck Iran. They launched some airstrikes. They actually hit 3 provinces. And for the most part, this attack was deflected, which is a good thing. And now me personally, guys, I don't fall on either side of this. I just want them to stop. They need to just chill, buy crypto, relax, break bread, and let's just all get along. It's way easier to get along than it is to just be pissed off at people all the time, frankly, right? I think we can all agree to that. And there has been no news, at least as of right now, of escalation. Iran I don't believe has come out and said that they're going to launch a counter strike or anything like that. They're talking about still not wanting to escalate into bigger war. So that's good. And hopefully that stays that way, because this was, again, another big shakeout in the market. We saw retail overreacting just from our recovery pump. We saw a 9.25% drop in terms of ADA. We saw BTC go on a significant drop as well. And now we're finding a little bit of stability. ADA actually bounced back about 5%, at least at the time of filming this video. It bounced back a little bit higher, but it's kind of just consolidating. And the market's calming down to an extent. So hopefully we decide to sit here and just take a deep breath and relax and understand what's going on. It's funny. I had some people saying, oh yeah, you should have shorted ADA. Oh yeah, I said we were going lower. Really? Because these were kind of surprise things. I'll call it surprise things that came out of nowhere that affected the market when we were actually having a decent day. Okay. There will be things that take place like this. And unfortunately, we're kind of still sitting in this time where retail is still reactionary and are still just kind of investing with emotion. Okay. Nobody is, they're not full bull yet. There are entities that are full bull, like institutional money. They've been obviously very bullish. BlackRock has been buying at insane rates. We know that whales have been on the heavy accumulation, but retail are still the ones that frankly right now are holding the market back. Okay. And we go through these periods of time. We go through these periods where sentiment isn't always 100%. And actually it's not that bad of a thing that sentiment has cooled down, because that gives us more room to move to the upside, because when people get excited, they start flowing, the capital starts flowing back into the market and things just, they start running, right? And in terms of ADA, I'm actually glad that we bounced back to this 33-cent range. 31-cent range is not somewhere we want to be. We have not been there since the early part of September, but yesterday was just a big blah, right? It was shakeouts. It was unforeseen events. It was bad, not bad news, fake news. I mean, there's a lot of things that we dealt with yesterday that we will move past. We've recovered from these things before. And I have to remind everybody that every time we've had one of these attacks take place or escalations abroad or whatever you want to call it, we've actually had nice little moves to the upside. Let's see if this ends up being the same way. But I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was unfortunate, but it did give us opportunity nonetheless. So have a great day. Show your love below. Hope you guys have a great start to your weekend. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.